What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tristan 114. We are back. We're here with my boy xzayvion. He got the 250 two-stroke. That started the video up.
No, I'm not.
We're about to go to Dan's. We have acquired to getting to Dan's. Yeah. God.
Since we got here, I fucking leaned forward. I keep telling him that. He's not gonna start. Yeah. Give it just more gas than you think. You're not gonna fall, dude, just because there's no back.
No, I know.
It's the same thing, just don't think about it. Yeah, if anything, it'll just spin the back tire.
Son of a bitch. I stalled. Son of a bitch. What does he mean it's hard to find neutral? Sketchy as fuck.
I heard you were sitting there for a second, but you got it. It's not bad once you learn how to start it.
No, it's so much fun.
So like
you have to like.
you have to blip the throttle as you're going down.
Yeah, it's weird. It's different.
Yeah.
Normally I'm used to blipping the throttle when it's down. Damn.
Sometimes when it's really hot, you might need a new throttle tube too.
Yeah.
It's been a little abused.
This fucker's bad.
Yeah, there's no throttle tube there.
Yeah, nah, this fucker.
What were you saying?
I said this fucker's bad.
Yeah, you like it?
I love it.
It fucking moves with you on it too.
Oh yeah. Dude, did you not see my handlebars? I was coming through here, they fucking went.
Dude, those rocks will fuck you up.
Dude, they fucked my handle. I was like, ah!
Yeah, that shit just happened. Like, just
You saw that shit?
like that.
It went, "Ah."
Like right there. Right there.
Alright, there you go.
When we get back, these bikes
Yo, listen. Watch language. Watch language. What's going on YouTube later.
Alright. Who's gonna start first? Oh, this is just grass. It's just grass. Oh shit. That was such a smart idea.
That is very deep.
That's such a smart idea, Dan. Yeah, you fucking idiot. Now you, how you get it out?
I'll get it. I'll pick it up.
Oh, that smell.
Yeah.
Oh, you're covered. In the mud. Oh shit. Oh shit, it's in here.
Yo, bro. Yo. Look
Huh.
at me. Look at me.
Oh.
What? No.
He said, did you blow it up?
Oh, what the fuck?
I just buried it.
You literally buried it.
Alright. I'll pick it up.
I'm gonna do my videography bullshit that I did with your bike. Did you see this?
Oh yeah, did you see the video I posted on my story?
I saw that shit right down my Lewis.
Yeah,
He did that.
I filmed that. Watch out.
I wanted to go down there. I thought you like, can you go through that?
If you got no speed, maybe.
Where does it go like after that?
Oh, you don't go. Oh, you just like go through the woods and put her around back.
Or
Just watch the logs.
yeah, that's
You have a better back tire than me.
true.
I mean, your shit got a little fucked from road rat. Yo.
Yeah, it'll be fine. You know what I'm saying? You just got to do a little.
Oh, my mullet is.
Your mullet.
The back. It don't stick out the front, just sticks out the back, and the helmet looks like a mullet.
Behind the scenes of Tristan making TikTok videos over here.
Yeah.
Look at him. It's a natural
my
creature. It's a natural. Alright, he's getting naked on
Oh my god.
Oh! What the fuck just happened?
What?
What happened?
I slid out.
Oh, you spun around?
Yeah, I spun all the way around. he saw it.
Oh, I'm about to get hit. Fuck no. Holy shit! It's kind of foul plug. Oh shit. That's my bike. Try to keep it off. So you don't fall. Try to keep it off. Yeah, I know. My dad's friend was hanging on my tank. What happened to it? His ankle went under the wheel of his Harley. That big ass 800-pound Harley. And he was hanging on my tank. And he had one foot. He got it back on though. Got it back on. It was never fully covered, but like, I think that his skin was broken and it was like slowly shattering.
Are we rolling? Are we rolling?
Yeah.
It's red.
Yeah. Yes, it's red,
I'm
motherfucker.
seeing it.
What?
Is it blinking though?
Yes.
Okay, it doesn't look like it's blinking. It just looks like it's a hard stuck red light.
No, it's on. You're just like
Staring
I knew what you meant
intensely.
the first time. You just
So you leave me the fuck alone. How about that?
then I second guessed and thought you meant rolling, moving. But then I got what you thought I thought the first time, and then picture. He had this all on video.
Hmm?
He used to have this all on video.
Yeah.
He's just see you gazing into my eyes.
You'll be right. Ooh. A little bit of night riding going on. Hold it up and down like in front of us so we can see. Like a spotlight pretty much. I missed the shifter completely just now. Oh shit, I was wheeling the fuck out the fish. That was so bad. I had the clutch and I'm like that. Probably a silhouette. I can't see it. That would have been so loud. Move. Oh, fuck off. God damn it. Dan? Dan? Oh, I thought you, nigga, I thought you fell off. Where the fuck is Tristan? Where's Tristan? Oh, he's on the bike. This thing's weird.
What?
He's weird. He's on the bike.
I was on my bike.
He's on the bike.
What? I was like kind of getting. Oh, here comes the Prince Betty. Why are you recording? Because we recorded the way back. I'm pretty sure. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew he was gonna hit something. Hey, tires, it's fine.
Alright guys, it's the next morning. We got the 150 out. Cleaned her last night. It's just a little dirty, I guess. It's alright. Beat up plastics, you know. Got the 150 out. He got the 250 out. He just chilling. We got Dan. We made some burgers earlier in the frying pan with some breakfast. And yeah, sooner or later we're gonna get ready to ride. So catch y'all then. Anyways, guys, this is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so sorry that it started to rain and we got washed out. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. I got that 150 now, so gonna be making a lot more videos soon. Thank you guys and peace.